Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here in the Fuzzy Biker Garage. Hey wait, this is not the Fuzzy Biker Garage. This is one of Baxter Cycle Shops. And that is my Royal Enfield Classic 350. She's got about 6,200 miles on her already. Time for an oil change and another valve adjustment. And so today we're gonna pop the seat off, pop the tank off, I'm gonna pull the head off, do a valve adjustment, change the oil in the hot rod, check my air filter. If your bike ever starts getting a little low on power, check the air filter. It's the #1 reason. Anyway, I'll catch back up to y'all in a minute. Wahoo! Hey, moving right along here. We've got the valves adjusted. Exhaust was, I don't know, 0.18, I think. Intake was 0.08, and they were a little tight, both of them, so I got them to the right spot. Got the oil drained out of it right down there, that milky substance. We're going to put a brand new air filter in there. The old one is dusty on the inside, so that's how that's going to go. We're going to clean the chain up and tighten it up and get it the right thing. I'll check the tire pressure. Moving right along, huh? Moving right along. Kind of a neat little thing. I did have to loosen this thing up here, a couple bolts right there, to get the valve cover off. And this is one of the vent lines. There was 2 vent lines, 1 electric connector, and the electrical connector did all the fuel gauge and fuel pump and all that stuff. And then there was the fuel line itself right there. So here's the fuel line. Here's the electrical connector, and then the 2 vent hoses. Here's one over here and the one's over there. And like I said, this was up here like that. And there's the valve cover right there. So I'll get that all back together. Air filter on the near side right here goes in that box. Like I said, we'll do the chain while we're at it. Alrighty, a little update on this whole thing. Got it on there, easy peasy, cheesy. No, it was a pain. We had to fight with it. Good buddy over there, Mitch, had to help me out. Got the gasket back in. Got her all lined up, got everything down right. We had to take off, I'll come around to the other side and show you. In order to get the valve cover off, that was easy. I just had to take this thing loose. But in order to get the thing back on and then to be able to get our gasket on, we had to actually unhook this thing here. You can see it early in the video. And so we could get more height and reach underneath it. It's been a real calming and zen experience. Working on the old motorbike. Actually, it really has been. It's been a lot of fun. It's such an easy motorcycle to work on. Got the air filter back in already. You know, we're doing the oil right now. Oil filter, I already got that changed, by the way. It's right here, so you can see the mess I made over here. I put a rag over all this, but I'll clean it up some more before we get done. Hey, look, a little grasshopper. But anyway, just a wonderfully easy bike to work on. Actually, much simpler than my Himalayan, believe it or not. My Himalayan I thought was simple, but there's so much room. Also easier than my 650. Not that that was a hard job either. That was actually a very simple job also. All right, I'll get back to you in a minute. Wahoo, got her done. We got her all done. Everything but the test ride. Valves are all adjusted. Gas tank's back on. Seats back on. Fuel filter new. Oil filter new, I mean. New air cleaner on the other side. Checked the spark plug. It was good. There's old Mitchell over yonder. The tire looks like it could use a new one. It's getting close. I think it's still good though. We cleaned the chain, totally cleaned it, and you know, lubed it and all that neat stuff. This bell ray turns white. It's really neat. Anyway, we just did everything. Mitchell, my buddy over there, cleaned up the tank for me. I need to clean the whole bike up. We have to check the tire pressure yet. That's one more thing I'm going to do. But anyway, great day, great amount of work. This thing should run like a hot rod now, right? We've got that nifty 350 ride April 27th of this year, starting at Baxter Cycle about 10 a.m. If y'all want to ride in that, get yourselves over here. We'll have a lot of fun. If y'all are interested in a newer used Royal Enfield like this one, Triumph, classic British bike of any type, get yourself over to Baxter Cycle in the mighty metropolis of Marnie, Iowa. Need parts, accessories, thingamajigs, doodads, service work. These guys can help you out. Or go to BaxterCycle.com. Make sure you tell those good folks that Fuzzy Biker sent you. Now it's a beautiful day out. Check it out. Got a well-tuned motorcycle. I'm going to go for a ride. Y'all do the same if you can. Wahoo!